In this video, you will see step-by-step instruction on how I do the color application closer to the cuticle. I apply step number 1, thin layer closer to the cuticle. So make sure you save and you take notes in the way how I move the brush and which way I orientated. Also note such coating is possible only if you have done a clean manicure. Sometimes to align the color on some deep spots closer to the cuticle or sinus zone, a thin line will be your helper. I have cured the first layer 30 seconds. Now I'm applying the second layer exactly with the same pattern as I did the first one. Then I do a final cure and I seal at the end with top coat. Please let me know if you have liked my color application technique, and if you are struggle with the color application, please ask a question down below and I will do my best to help you.